Hello, Janot Trust here. Warren Buffett has a stark warning for stock investors, and in this video, we're going to break that down. All right, so let's get into it. So, Warren Buffett has issued several warnings about the stock market as 2025 is kicked off. Right, we're in January and we're heading into February. So, record cash holdings and stock sales. So Berkshire Hathaway, under Buffett's leadership, has amassed over 325 billion in cash, representing a record 28% of its asset value, the highest in over 30 years. This reflects Buffett's conscious stance on current market valuation. So Buffett has been a net seller of stocks for several quarters, even reducing stakes in long-held favorites like Apple. I don't know. What do you guys think he's gonna happen to Apple? I love my iPhone. So, however, he has selectively added stocks like Domino's Pizza and Pool Corp, indicating that he still sees value in specific opportunities despite broader market concerns. Now, there is the flashing in the Buffett indicator that is flashing red. So the Buffett indicator, which compares the total market capitalization of publicly traded US companies to GDP, has reached an unprecedented level of 230%. This is significantly higher than during the dot-com bubble peak at 175%. Suggesting severe overvaluation in the stock market. Note, so historically, right, such high levels have preceded periods of below average or negative returns as seen after the dot-com bubble burst. Now, here's the advice that Buffett wants to warn all stock investors of 2025. He emphasizes maintaining a long-term perspective and diversifying portfolios to mitigate risks. He advises against over-concentration in trendy sectors like AI, which drove much of the market gains in 2024, but could face volatility. So investors are encouraged to assess their asset allocation and ensure it aligns with both good and bad market conditions. Now, Buffett's philosophy underscores investing only in companies with strong fundamentals that can deliver sustainable growth over time. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you're getting value, if you like what you're hearing, hit that subscribe button and the like button. Now, the historical context, analysts warn that current market conditions resemble those before major downturns, such as the dot-com bubble. If history repeats, investors could face subdued returns or significant corrections in the coming years. Now, there are specific stocks that Warren Buffett bought in 2024. So this is kind of letting you know his move. So in 2024, Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway made selective stock purchases amidst a cautious stance on the broader market. Now, here are the key stocks that he bought, in 2024, kind of letting you know how he's thinking for 2025. So we have the Occidental Petroleum, OXY, and Buffett significantly increased Berkshire's stake in Occidental Petroleum, purchasing 8.9 million additional shares in December 2024. That was just last month, for approximately 409 million. This brought Berkshire's ownership to about 28.2% of the company. So Occidental remains one of Berkshire's largest investments, with common stock holdings, preferred shares yielding 8%, and warrants to purchase additional shares. Now, the next stock was SiriusXM, SIRI. So Berkshire continued to increase its position in SiriusXM throughout 2024, particularly in Q4. So SiriusXM is considered a value play due to its profitability and relatively low stock price. Next, we have VeriSign, VRSN. So in December 2024, Buffett added 45 million worth of VeriSign shares, a company that provides internet infrastructure and domain registry services. This marked the first addition to this position since, Buffett initially invested in it over a decade ago. Next, we have Chubb Ltd, CB, right? Earlier in 2024, Buffett expanded Berkshire's investment in Chubb, adding 1.1 million shares during Q2. So Chubb is a major player in the insurance sector and aligns with Buffett's preference for financially stable companies offering consistent returns. Next, we have Ulta Beauty, ULTA, and Buffett initiated a new position in Ulta Beauty by purchasing 690,000 shares, valued at approximately 266 million. This investment reflects the interest in consumer-driven businesses with strong brand loyalty. So how should investors react to, Warren Buffett's warnings? Again, you're going to want to maintain a long-term perspective. Buffett consistently emphasized the importance of long-term investment. Now, despite current high valuations, investors should avoid panic selling and instead focus on their long-term goal, right? Their long-term investment goal. So remember that market fluctuations are normal. Everything is not static, right? And historically, patient investors have been rewarded. So be selective with investments. With the market at a high valuations, investors should be more discerning about their stock picks. So Buffett himself has been selective recently, investing in, again, we talked about the Domino's, the pizza, the pool corporation. So focus on companies that have these strong fundamentals and sustainable business models. You're gonna lastly keep cash reserves, right? Following Buffett's example of maintaining significant cash holdings, investors should consider keeping a portfolio of their portfolio portion in cash. This provides flexibility to take advantage of potential market corrections and unexpected opportunities. So that's what I have for you today. Hit that subscribe button and the like button if you are educated and entertained. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you gained something new. See you in the next video.